First, of course, is Mario, who will be played by Chris Pratt. He's so cool. Donkey Kong will also be making an appearance. He will be played by Seth Rogen.
Hey! Shut the fuck up! What are you listening to? We have fucking neighbors. My God, what are you kids listening to in here? I need to get some sleep. I hate this generation of kids. What is actually wrong with any of you?
Okay. Okay. Yeah,
Yo, guys, I really hate to be that guy.
They're at the black bar. You're kind of exposed.
Hit player, center, red building. Yeah, okay, let him go.
30 seconds!
Sorry, wait. You're gonna peek left, I got right. Yep, peeking. Yeah, no problem, I got. Friendly. Yep.
One more guy down! Got one tango down! That's game over! What side?
Good shit, bro. Oh. Yo, behind us! Thanks. Friendly. Ooh, big spider.
Yo, dude.
Yo, someone's saying that you're not calling your hits, but I don't know.
No, I don't want to go! No! No! No, I don't want to go!
One down in the center. Dead ahead. Left of the barrels in the center. Yeah? Thank you. Ooh. Nice push, man. Nice push. Oh, hit. Good shot. Good shot. hit! Hit player! No, that circular, no? Someone with the boonie.
You want to take that off? Go on the other team? You want to try it?
Yeah, sure. All right.
No, don't touch me there. That is my no-no square.
Sorry, did I bring back some bad memories there? I need help. I can't do it.
We just... There you
Smell like fruit roll-ups. It's very nice.
Oh, I know.
I don't know, I got some whiff. I thought it was you.
Probably.
Careful, watch the side. Going through. Go through. Oh my God.
What is that? What the fuck is that?
Okay.
Right here.
Headshot.
Whoa. Ah, no. It's okay. It's all good, buddy. I came a little unannounced. Okay. That's my butthole clenching. Watch that opening. We're good. Middle. That guy just looked at me and he like just was like, nope.
Hello, motherfucker.
Right in front of me.
Where?
Other corner of this building.
Here, watch out. You cover. Here, go on that side. Right here.
Nope.
Flying on your left. Oh boy.
Prairie doggies at school. Black pool.
Okay. Hit player. Red building in front.
Prairie dog, one more. Black pool. Same spot.
Okay.
Got it.
Yo, far end by grandma's. Hit players by the black barrels.
I saw one guy walking by grandma's.
Okay. Sorry. Shifty.
Yeah.
Right here.
Okay, Roger.
30 seconds.
Whoa, close, close, close. Black tart. Oh, sorry. One down at the tart. Reloading, cover me, reloading, cover me.
You really didn't get hit?
Black tart again. Black tart, black tart. Hit player, walking through.
No.
Black tarp again, guys, by the front of the orange barrels.
No way I didn't hit him there.
Whoa, buddy. Nice, nice, nice. Woohoo. One down, black tarp in front of us. Watch the red house to your right. Sure. Oh.
Yeah, I got one.
There's one red house in front of us in the middle.
All right.
Got it, red house.
No, okay, the center red house, there's one. Which one, Ty?
Alright guys, nothing like some good old-fashioned city games. You might have noticed a few paint jobs here and there. That's because City is currently in the process of being redesigned. For those of you stuck around to the end of this video, it's also my pleasure to inform you that the main part of the field is finally open to airsofters again. So you can definitely expect a change of scenery when you're playing or if you're just watching my videos. In fact, you can expect a lot of new things here once the new year comes around, but it's much too soon to talk about that kind of stuff, so you're just gonna have to use your imagination until then. Have a good day, and don't forget to eat your damn greens.